Hi everyone, welcome back to Channeling Luxury. This is a part one, or maybe it's two, I cannot recall. Brunello Cucinelli, how can you say the designer name without trying to speak crappy Italian? Some spring pieces for women. I'm going to be trying on two pairs of pants. Didn't have a hanger for these, so they are folded here. I'm going to try on this very lightweight, nice feeling denim jacket in perhaps one of my all-time favorite colors, which is a very light sage. Going to try on a pair of gray sweats, top, white top, and the pants that go with it. So give these a quick try and let's see what we think. If you want to chime in the comments and rate these 1 to 5 on each look, that's what I'll be doing when I try them on as well. So welcome, and let's give these a shot. All right, so I misspoke. This is actually a skirt. It's a long skirt with a slit, as you can see in the mirror, slit in the back. Makes it very wearable, super lightweight. It's cotton and polyamide, 75-25. This is a size 40. It's about 1900, I believe. Here's the signature Brunello right here on the back. And you know, I'm not entirely sure it's the most flattering fit on the behind, but I think it's a super wearable piece. But I do have a question for the designer, which I will be asking. What is with this? It's elastic. You can't pull this anymore, but they're totally uneven. Is it a mistake or is it intentional and is designed to be tied on the side, which would be my guess, because I cannot imagine that they would make a mistake that I would expect to find on a Chanel bag to have something totally crooked. Sorry for the dig at Chanel, but we have to take our opportunities where we can get them. So, all right, I'm going to try the sage, actually the pants now. Maybe it's, who knows, maybe it's a skirt too. I'm gonna try the yellow pant skirt, whatever it's gonna be. And I'm actually trying things on for the first time along with you. So I don't really know what they are either. So I'll try the yellow pant skirt piece, and we'll look at it together, and then we can make our own decisions. Please feel free to rate them 1 to 5 in the comments if you choose. All right, off to the next piece. This one actually is a pant. It's also a size 40. It's equivalent to a US 4, 1800 as well. And it's also cotton and polyamide, pretty much the same fabric, but a little bit heavier weight. And definitely makes the back side look pretty nice. And I could see these as being very casual travel pants. I kind of wish they weren't yellow. I don't think that's too much of a neutral. But I don't know. I think it's a nice alternative to jeans. I find that the look is pretty nice. It's not going to be something that I'm going to be like, wow, this is incredible. You feel so sexy. And it's not that kind of piece. So I would give it a 6 or a 7. Wearability for me is an 8, 9. Value, it's a little on the pricey side, right, for cotton and polyamide. So I'm going to put the value at a 5 or 6. Love your comments as well. Here's the color up close, the piece up close, where the pockets are. It does have the cargo style pockets on the side. And it has the pulled in waist here, as you can see. So very light pleating in the front, which actually makes it fit pretty well. I'm a 40 or 42 in their denim. I can go both ways depending on how tight I can handle it at the moment. And this 40 fits really nice. So if you're in between sizes like me, I would go down 1 size. It doesn't feel like I'm dying and suffocating or anything. And when you eat, it's gonna fill here, not here. So yay. This is a little bit more of a high waist, actually. I'm not a high waist person, but these are really comfortable. Okay, I'm going to try on another pair of pants with that also has a sweater with it that you saw in my intro, and then 2 more pieces, and then this video will be wrapped up. All right, let me show you the pants first. So these are $19.95. This is a size small. I hope you can see in the mirror, so you can see the leg. It's actually a nice kind of wide leg at the bottom, and you can see the back. It looks, you know, semi-structured. So here's the thing. This is a difficulty with these pants. They feel great. Nice pockets. I can see traveling with them, but they look so much like sweats that when you travel with them and you're in European countries, you look like you're in sweats. That doesn't fly. So I don't know. I mean, this is a tough one. They're super comfortable. I think they look really nice. Very cool set, by the way. I'll just get down to show you the top. This top's in a medium on purpose because I don't like my tops to be tight. So that's the outfit right here. And I think it looks awesome. And this one's a little bit less money, but you know, it goes to this whole where are we going to wear it to problem, right? The wearability factor. So again, I mean, if you look up close, I think that it's a nice jersey fabric, but unfortunately it looks too much like sweats. And then it looks like we just wore sweats. I don't know. What do you all think? Please help me comment 1 to 5. To me, the look, because they look like sweats, is a 3. If I wanted sweats, I'd make them a 10. Wearability is a good solid 9 or 10. Super comfortable. And who doesn't want to wear sweats all day? Value, it's not there. I mean, the fabric is fantastic, but $2,000 for a pair of sweats is a bit steep. It's nothing like their fall collection, but their spring collection is also very pricey. So I'm going to put the value at a 3 or a 4. And then for this top, let's see. So the top, let me come in a little bit closer. You can see what it looks like. It's like a little vest. And is it cute? Yeah, here's the back. Does it go great with the pants? Yeah. Hoodie, not a huge fan of the hoodie. Can just do this, I guess. The value's not there for me, but the fabric feels great. So I'd say, you know, look is maybe a 6, 7. Wearability for me is pretty high. I can see myself wearing this, this whole outfit actually. So I would give the wearability a good solid 8. Value's not there. You know, it's too much for what we're getting, which is a really casual piece. I'm gonna put the value at, I don't know, I'm gonna say a 4 or a 5, but look forward to your thoughts. I will try on the last couple of pieces and be wrapped up with this video. All right, welcome back. This is a cotton linen blend jacket. Color, fantastic. I love the color. Not a big fan of the sloppier fit. I think I mentioned 60-40, yeah, cotton linen. 36, it's still a little bit big. I would definitely size down. I don't want it to be this oversized. Pockets on the inside. Thank you for doing that, Brunello, because when we travel, and our stuff is on the outside, the risk of losing it, having it stolen is unfortunately just too high. So I like to have pockets here so I don't have to wear a scarf with a little slit in it to carry my phone, my life of work. And so this one for me, you know, wearability, the look for me is a 2. It's too sloppy, it's not there, it's not all that exciting. I was really bummed out because I love this color and I thought it had potential. Wearability, I don't know, 3. Value for me is a 1 or a 2 because I'm not going to wear it, right? That's what we need to determine. What's our price per wear? If our price per wear is low, forget it. Let's just, you know, decide not to buy it, right? That's what this channel is all about, helping us figure out what to purchase and what to leave behind. That's why I appreciate your comments so much. You are helping other viewers. Many of you that have been commenting have messaged me on Instagram saying you saw someone else's comment, you found it useful, and so it just becomes this perpetuating cycle. So thank you for doing that. So I'm going to try on one more blouse. I'll wrap up this video, and then we will have another video for another day. All right, last piece, $27.95. This is a silk piece. It's a size extra small. This is not there for me, not my style. By the way, Chanel-like, the button popped off when I was just doing a very simple, nice unbuttoning. So, come on, guys, you got to do better than that. So here's the front, back. For me, look is a 1, wearability is a 1, value is a 1. This whole shirt is a 1. Look forward to your thoughts, feedback, comments. As always, have a wonderful day or night wherever you are.